Hello. This video is about a stylish knit, very tight in both directions. Reminiscent of the Chanel style and the coarse woven tweed often found in her models. With this knit, you can add style and elegance to any garment. The knitting pattern is 2 stitches and 4 rows. In the sample, the number of loops is a multiple of 2 plus 1 off scheme for symmetry and 4 edge loops. At the base of the knit are slipped loops without knitting, which make it tight. This horizontal stretch makes the knit resemble a coarse woven textile. At the end of the video, I will explain how you can knit it in the round. We start from the wrong side. Row 1, wrong side. The pattern of this row is slip 1, the thread is in front, knit 1. Again, slip 1, the thread is in front, knit 1. Repeat this until the end of the row. Row 2, right side. The pattern of this row is slip 1, the thread is behind, purl 1. Again, slip 1, the thread is behind, purl 1. Repeat this until the end of the row. Row 3, wrong side. Purl all stitches until the end of the row. Row 4, right side. The pattern of this row is slip 1 with a yarn over loop, purl 1, and pass the yarn over loop over both loops. Again, slip 1 with a yarn over loop, purl 1, and pass the yarn over loop over both loops. Repeat this until the end of the row. When knitting in the round, the difference is in rows 1 and 3. They look like this. Row 1, slip 1, the thread is behind, purl 1. Row 3, knit all stitches until the end of the row. I presented you with a very stylish knit with a beautiful relief, reminiscent of coarse tweed, an ideal choice for an elegant Chanel-style cardigan. I highly recommend it. Thank you for being together. If you like this video, press the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit with love and be happy. See you soon.